Are you a truck driver with back and chest pain, headaches, and always feeling drowsy? This specific Bose product allows the truck driver to complete their route with comfort and ease. The Bose Ride system uses a linear motor, which is the same type of technology Bose uses in their speakers. By using this type of motor anytime the driver experiences the hardships of the road, the motor absorbs all of the shock that the driver would usually end up feeling. On the off chance that the motor fails, there's a backup air ride system in the chair, the same system that is used in regular truck seats so the driver isn't left without suspension.
A lot of times we call it the speaker. It's that cone-shaped thing and has a coil, and when you put electricity into it in an alternating fashion, the cone moves in and out. Well, this is a lot like a huge woofer in that it's able to handle a 350-pound truck driver and move fast enough to react and cancel out a bump when the truck's going 70 miles an hour down the road. So this is like an enormously powerful loudspeaker.
Inside the device, there's linear electromagnetic actuators, a regenerative amplifier, proprietary control algorithms, and many sensors. The Bose Ride is made through a process called cellular manufacturing, where a person or people are assigned to put together a certain part of the product. This product helps drivers feel safer on the road, have longer driving careers, and recharge faster. 97% of drivers reported reduced back pain, 94% had less fatigue, 89% see themselves having a longer career, 74% said it was important to their work, and 71% felt safer overall. If you have any of these problems, then it would appear the Bose Ride is for you.